my experience, I think women are more they're okay with a guy sleeping
There's
around
also
and then
expectations
changing.
that are put on women. No, that you have to be okay with it because
Possibly.
men are emotionless sex machines. That's what we teach people.
Possibly.
You
But
know?
then ground reality तो वही हो गई ना कि it can pass, एक जगह pass हो सकता है, एक जगह नहीं हो रहा है उतना easily pass
Maybe
with the
she's not
expectations in
voicing
place.
it, but maybe she's internally feeling like shit. Like I know a lot of I know the vast majority of women do not like to hear about their partner's past.
Of course. Yeah, नहीं वो मैं तो वही बोलूँगा, just don't get into that discussion only. That is the best for both the genders. Do not go into कि आपका past में क्या है क्या नहीं है.
Maybe evolve from that. I don't know. Like learn that. You know,
If you can evolve, of course, you should evolve.
experiences don't mean shit
Yeah,
in terms of how it's impacting you currently.
But फर्क तो पड़ता ही है emotionally सबको
अगर
ना.
आप
सबको पड़ता है. मैं वही
पड़ता तो
बताना चाह रही हूँ. सिर्फ आदमियों को नहीं फर्क पड़ता है.
नहीं पड़ता है, बिल्कुल पड़ता है
psychologists,
सबको.
if you talk to them, relationship psychologists will say कि यार बेस्ट है पास्ट में मत जाओ, करंट में रहो.
Yeah, learn from your past.
Learn
Don't
from it.
Drag your past
You know,
into your current life.
be cognizant कि आपके जो भी एक्शन होंगे वो इम्पैक्ट और इफेक्ट करेंगे.
But एक ना वो
Responsibility of it.
एक वो मतलब there's a sense of shame as well associated with that. Men shame other men based on, like I'll tell you very easily. No man, or let's say a man that you know, your brother, whoever, he gets married to a girl that has slept with 100 people around, and suddenly today she's like, भाई, you know, आज से मैं conservative, pure, one woman बन जाऊंगी. And you get married. You meet a friend, he's like, oh bro, I've slept with her. You meet another friend, oh, I've slept with her. Men don't want to be in that position where they're like, bro, she slept with fucking everyone, what the fuck? They don't want to be in
Humans
that
don't want to be
position.
in that position. We,
Yeah.
we can't.
True,
Men are
ठीक
not
है.
a separate entity.
think-
They're
yeah, I
not.
think,
Men are
yeah.
not a monolith. They're not a
I
separate
think if
entity.
the same thing happened with a girl.
Yeah,
Yeah.
she would hate
Right?
it. My God.
You would hate it, right? You'd probably put the guy in a box and be like,
Yeah.
कहीं नहीं निकल रहे हो. Like, with,
Men are not a
But would
monolith,
she
and
leave
men
him?
are not a separate
Sorry?
Would she
alien
leave him?
it's
species.
really bad, yes.
Yeah, she would.
And I think at some point, and मुझे लगता है, like I'd love to take it here.
But we just didn't we just discuss कि लड़कों को इतना ज़्यादा वो shame नहीं करा जाता है, and it's a double standard कि लड़कियों को ज़्यादा करा जाता है ना.
But
हाँ, क्योंकि वो social culture ऐसा है कि
empowerment ये है कि अगर किसी लड़की को कल फर्क पड़ता है that her ex-husband or her husband has slept and it's making her uncomfortable.
True. And he lied about it.
she has
lied
the
about
ability
it.
to leave.
She has the ability to leave.
sure.
And for me, that is empowerment.
Absolutely.
You know,
Yeah.
Because
Randy,
historically women haven't had
impalement.
that.
Yeah. So if I can give a woman that power, कि तुम्हें ठीक है तो बड़ी अच्छी बात है. तुम्हें नहीं ठीक है, then have the power,
Yeah.
have the financial freedom, have society's acceptance.
नहीं, of course,
कि भैया,
definitely.
I'm out.
Because if it's
And
breaking
no
the
one-
trust.
yeah, and
if
no
you've gone
one-
into the relationship
and
कि
no
नहीं.
one is at
With
fault.
whether or not men have had multiple partners or women have had multiple partners, human beings fundamentally are, they like their own shit. Like, this is my glass now. If you pick up my glass, I'll be angry about it. This is my glass. You know, we're just possessive about our things and our people. People get jealous अगर मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड किसी और से ज्यादा बेस्ट फ्रेंड गिरी करने लगे तो मेरे को तो बड़ी जलन होती है कि भाई तुम उससे क्यों बात कर रहे हो, तुम तो मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो.
Yeah.
You know, it has
But then again, it's more a girl thing. Girls care more about that.
Oh God, not at all.
मतलब थोड़ा तो है. If you, I'm not
भाई
saying
तू मेरा भाई है.
I'm not. नहीं, but उसमें I've never heard men be like, भाई तू मेरा ही भाई है, उसका नहीं है. But girls do that. लड़कों को there are gender differences and I feel because hormones अलग हैं, because bodies अलग हैं, because मैं pregnant नहीं हो सकता हूँ, I'm not carrying 9 months baby, a woman will carry 9
I
महीने
feel like we
baby.
keep
There are
making this
gender
thing us
differences.
versus them issue. And
No, I'm
it's
not making us versus them. I'm just saying कि gender differences होंगे and that's what makes people unique. Right? एक very simple thing.
People at large, it has nothing to do because they're also intersex people, they're also trans people. It's not that men and women are a monolith. We all grow up in different ideas, different cultures, different homes.
True, agreed. But
we
उससे भी,
can't.
but hormones तो affect पड़ेगा ना. Like men are going to be physically stronger than women.
But that is, you're talking purely about a biological thing. I'm talking mentally.
Exactly. So biologically भी एक वो.
But mentally, you're talking about like strength, right?
I'm just giving an example to make a point. ऐसे ही there will be differences that come into this because subconsciously रहेगा biological, the way things have happened, the way evolutionary psychology has worked, how humans have evolved. Men and women have evolved very differently. I want to be strong and I want to be, if I'm out with you guys, I want to be able to, if anything happens, I'm standing in front of you guys. Why? Because I don't know, but I am doing that. And I don't expect you guys to come and stand in front of me. 100%. And I will sacrifice myself if it's my wife's, anybody. I will put myself in harm's way before anything happening to you. Why? Because and it goes back to the fact that when, let's say my partner is pregnant, 9 महीने तक तो at least उनको ख्याल मुझे ही रखना पड़ेगा ना. So it became imperative for men to be physically stronger. And women wanted to look for that because पहले rape होते थे. पहले कोई भी आके, you know, when fucking Mahmood Ghazni would plunder, they would rape the women वहाँ पे. So men had to be strong.
You know, one of the things that happens in
But
both
बहुत
situations
important
that is
है.
coming
And I
up
think
right
it's a
now
great
with
thing. That's
Ukraine and
what healthy
Russia.
masculinity is.
No, I'll tell you.
We
No,
want
it's,
men to
it's,
be
it's,
there.
it's not that women get raped, it's that men also get raped right now.
मैं वो मना नहीं कर रहा हूँ, वो बिल्कुल होता है. And that's why if I was stronger, I would not be getting raped so much.
No.
Yeah, so I'll give an
Rape is a
perspective.
power thing. Rape is not a.
I think it is both.
No, but I think
what I'm
men-
saying is
no,
एक ही चीज नहीं है. I think
Yeah.
दोनों चीजें matter
So
करती
I
हैं.
think men and women are different, and I think
Yep.
what's important and imperative is we embrace those differences.
Correct. That's
but
my
at
point.
the same time, accept the choices. So, for example, as a mother, I know कि my daughter, my son will probably want to cuddle me जब वो बीमार हैं,
Yeah.
right? अगर कोई बहुत ज़्यादा physical activity actually, you know, but if my husband is there, that is also okay. Yeah, if he wants to look after him because कुछ हुआ है, that is also okay. So एक आपका biological frame of mind है, which is your natural role, which might be nurturing, which might be taking care or being masculine or protecting. बट अगर आपकी नीड है या वांट है कि यार मेरे को प्रोटेक्ट करना है या मेरे को नर्चर करना है, दैट नर्च यू कैन एक्सचेंज रोल्स डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर मेंटल और योर इमोशनल नीड्स.
Yeah, 100%.
एंड जस्ट बिकॉज यू नो जो आपका जेंडर नीड्स रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, दैट डज नॉट बिकम योर आइडेंटिटी इवेंचुअली. एंड आई थिंक
There's a
दैट्स
balance,
ट्रू
of course.
empowerment is to have that ability to be able to
Switch.
accept both.
And it's also the ability to dissociate people from just what their gender system is expected to look like. It's very reductive to reduce people just to, oh, tum ladki ho, to tum, you know, you'll be
Yeah,
nurturing.
and a girl
or you'll have a
can,
maternal instinct.
yeah, and a
naturally.
girl can go and work and be the CEO of a company.
Agreed.
And that's okay. And I'll give you the other perspective, and it's okay for her to sit at home and look after her child.
For sure.
And that should also be not something that society is looking down on.
And a man should be able to take a break from work and be a stay-at-home dad. That's
If that
totally
is
fine. If
their
that's
choice.
exactly.
And if we can get to, I think, a society like that, वो empowerment है. But आपको ये, and I completely understand from, you know, your perspective, कि biologically वो लड़का, I mean, उसका running time एक लड़की के से fastest time से
Yes.
कम होएगा. You know, biologically they might be stronger.
That's
but
okay.
that doesn't change choices.
And that doesn't change their emotions. Human beings are varied in their emotions, and that is the beauty of being human. You are not expected to have a certain kind of emotion because you're born with a penis.